Hello, I'm here to talk to you about Ceramic Pro and how we protect our fabric. We do it with a product called Textile. We actually have a couple other products that we can use as well, but this is for our true textiles. I'm going to show you exactly how it's applied. It's a spray-on application. The product is made of silica dioxide and is water-based, so there's no odor. And what it's doing is it's penetrating the textile and creating a surface layer that's going to help against stains, and it's going to repel those stains because it's going to be very hydrophobic. I'm going to come back to this in just a few minutes to show you how exactly the textile is going to last longer with our products on. Now that the textile has dried, I'm going to demonstrate to you what it does and how it protects against stains. So I'm going to show you the hydrophobic capabilities of our product. So this is just water. So you can see as I pour the water onto the textile, it's going to just sit on the surface and not allow it to penetrate, repelling those stains that might occur. So if I do the same thing on the non-coated side, you can see quite a difference here. It's going to immediately absorb, especially because this is a higher thread count. It's going to really soak up those stains and you're going to ruin your carpet. So let me demonstrate something on a different type of textile. This is a suede shoe that was coated. And if you just pour some water on here, it's going to have the same hydrophobic effect. So you can see how it's just rolling off the shoe here and not allowing any stains to get onto the shoe. And lastly, we have a much less of a fabric that is not very high in thread count, but it's going to have that same hydrophobic, repelling those stains, keeping them off of your whatever you're wanting to protect, and just making sure that you're making it last longer, look newer, and stay cleaner.